Big update on Coachella 2026 and our very own Nations Girl Group. Things are heating up and fans are buzzing with excitement after the latest hints dropped by Coachella's official socials. Just recently, Coachella posted a new design photo on their social media. At first glance, it looks like a regular teaser, but fans with sharp eyes immediately pointed out something interesting. The design has striking similarities to BINI's logo. Not only that, some also noticed that the background color used for the performer list looks familiar, resembling the signature tones connected to BINI's visuals. And if that's not enough to make fans speculate, Coachella's official Instagram story today featured a BINI song. Yes, you heard that right, an actual BINI track on their story. This move has Blooms convinced that the girls are not just part of the lineup, but that Coachella is already teasing something special for their stage. These back-to-back updates are making fans more certain than ever that BINI's historic Coachella debut is going to be unforgettable. So, what do you think, Blooms? Was this just a coincidence, or is Coachella secretly hyping BINI ahead of their big performance? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
Wala po ba kayo sa manifestations?
Malay nyo, by that time na nag-solo concert tayo ng 2025, yung Spotify listeners natin, nasa nasa 500K. Guys, mag-manifest lang kayo, sinasabi ko sa inyo.
Nabot lang naman ng Nations Girl Group ang 1 billion all-time streams sa Spotify.
Nations Girl Group BINI is now the Philippines' top artist on Spotify, surpassing Taylor Swift.
Sila ang kauna-unahang Filipino act na napunta sa top spot ng nasabing music charts.
Sige tayo.
By that time, may sasakyan na yung iba sa amin.
Sana magkaroon ng MK episodes na story ng BINI, tapos kami din yung gaganap.
Kaya ka nga sinuportahan ni Mami kasi nakita niya na yun yung para sa'yo.
Siya ang #1 fan at supporter ko.
Nag-tweet yung isang Joanna Robles. Tawagin kita niya dito. Sabi niya, magiging isang mamamahayag pa ako ng ABS. Pangarap ko at pinangahawakan ko mula noon.
Welcome sa TV Patrol, BINI Joanna!
Salamat, Ate B! Sobrang pasalamat namin dahil sa pagdagsa ng Bloom sa aming Tala-Arawan Mall Show sa Taguig City kagabi. Pasabog, bigatin at puno ng emosyon ang unang araw na Magpasikat 2024 sa It's Showtime.
Ano pa to last year, may tweet si Direk na magpapa-audition siya for PPP. Tapos nare-quote click namin ni Staff. Parang ready na po kami ni Steve.
Sa manifest,
Maligayang pagdating sa loob ng aking bahay. Bakit ayaw pang pumasok ni Joanna? Ibig ko sabihin, sa loob ng bahay.
Minamanifest namin at sana dumating yung araw na ganun din yung kadaming tao pag nag-concert ang BINI.
hopefully 5 years from now po, syempre wala na pong pandemic and nililibot na po ng BINI ang buong mundo. Syempre lahat po ng parte ng Pilipinas, yes po. And nakakapag-perform na po kami sa mga dream stages namin. Like, ano ba, New York Times Square, Coachella.
April 10 at 17, 2026 ang performance ng BINI sa Coachella stage.